Hey everyone, welcome back to AWS Cast. This is Intermediate AWS. Today we're talking about VPCs with public and private subnets. As a quick overview, this is the architecture that we're going to be creating. Here we go. So the first thing we need to do is to understand what it is that we're going to build. So Virtual Private Cloud, VPC. This is a way of logically isolating our resources and creating what essentially is a private cloud, but within Amazon Web Services public cloud or the AWS public cloud. Essentially, it'll appear to us as if we are running our own cloud, just that AWS takes care of the underlying infrastructure. So inside, we would use a VPC in order to, as I said, isolate our resources. We want to be able to control access in and out, and then also logically isolate our compute infrastructure from other infrastructure.